Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cynthia, and today what we have is an unboxing from the box that you see back here, Bath and Body Works. It finally got here from December 26th. Yeah, we waited a long time for this box around here. Hopefully everything's in there. Hopefully it's not broken. I will show you what's in there in a minute. So we're gonna do an unboxing together. It's a little bit of a different video. I haven't done an unboxing, but I really wanted to try it. The other thing I wanted to show you is I have a co-host on this channel. This is Baby Yoda. He's the main one. All right, he's the co-host, but I've also featured Daddy Yoda. I call this one that my 13-year-old made. And we have a new one today. We have another Baby Yoda Lego that my middle child, Aiden, made. Look at this one. It's so cute. I love Yoda. Or Grogu. Sorry, I keep getting it wrong. I don't even watch Mandalorian or anything I keep saying, but I might have to just because I love Yoda. I love Baby Yoda here. Anyways, that's the little cool feature that my son showed me on this one. He is so cute. We won't feature these every time because I don't want them to break. These are so cute. Look at that. Look at how cute that is. These little bitty ones. And then this one has a little one too that I didn't show last time. We're gonna get into the unboxing, don't worry. I'm gonna put a timestamp for those that don't care about this. Look at Daddy Yoda. See, he's old, but he is still cute too. Anyways, so those are my co-hosts, but the main one is this one. He should be on my channel every time. I really love that one. Hopefully, my kids do fight for this one because we only have one. Yeah, Tia Natalie, why you only gave them one? You need to give every single one of us one. I needed my own too, okay? So, okay, let's get into the unboxing. That's what you're here for. And we're gonna try to move the camera over to the box and see if I can have you guys, look at what I'm looking at. So we're gonna do a little bit of a different video. I'm gonna unbox it with you and then we can maybe talk about it a little bit at the end. The other thing is, please subscribe or come back because I do have another, I went again to the store today, okay? Don't judge me. If you're on this channel, just know that I like to haul. I like Bath and Body Works. I like shopping. I like makeup. So that's what you're going to see on this channel, okay? And tomorrow I'm going to post a video of me going to the store. And I got a couple more things at the store. Not too much, okay? Not too much, but I still got a little bit more. In fact, some of these things that are in here might have to go back because I got it cheaper at the store now. So let's get into the box. Okay, when you unbox something, are you supposed to open the box on camera or am I able to basically open it before I get onto the camera? I'm not sure. But since I think that maybe I'm supposed to open it with you, we're gonna go ahead and do that. I hope nothing is broken. Let's move that to the side because we might have to return a couple of things. All right, let's see what is in here. What are the goodies that I ordered online? So we have Frosted Snow Blossom. What does that smell like? Ooh, it smells good. You know how I told you guys before that all I know is I sniff and I tell you if I think it smells good. But here are the keynotes for those of you that care. Snow Jasmine, Frosted Gardenia Petals, Crisp Air, White Sandalwood, and then Winter Musk. I like gardenia smells. Those are really good to me. This one I love, and I have been waiting on it so that I can use the fragrance mist that I got at the store already. But I've been waiting on this so I can pair them together. We got Fragrance Fresh Raspberry, Sparkling Pear, and Blue Iris. That is the notes on this one. I have been waiting on. We got another winter candy apple. You can't go wrong with that. You guys know that I got, you know what though? They're 75% off at the store. So I think I'm gonna go return this because if you saw my last haul, I did buy it. And so this one will have to be a return because I believe that they don't price adjust. I've heard, at least from here, that they don't price adjust from things online. But if you guys know the difference or know if they do, let me know. Either way, I'm gonna go back tomorrow and see. Candy Red Apple, Winter Rose Petals, Candied Orange, Maple Leaf, Fresh Cinnamon. And everyone should practically know what this smells like. That's what I think. we're gonna price adjust that. And then I don't know, this one I didn't see in store, but I do have the other one, so I'm wondering if I should just return this one since I got one in store and I have two. It's just a different packaging. Why do they do that? It's still, this one's nice too. So maybe I'll keep it because I think I also got the cream that matches this packaging. We'll see right now. But let's see if it has the notes. It does have the notes. Fragrance notes: bubbly champagne, sparkling berries, juicy tangerine. And this is such a good smell. I think even the candle, I really want to get the candle for this one. I don't have it, but I want to have the candle for it. But they don't have that one. You're going to have to... Oh my goodness. Look at this. How do they just throw this in here? You know what? They should put these in little baggies, separate baggies. Oh my gosh. Look at this. That's why I see unboxing. You guys get to see exactly... Oh my god. Anyways, I have to go back to the store, but it just makes a mess on the rest of the stuff. We're gonna put that to the side here. Here is the matching packaging. So I think because of the matching packaging, I'll go ahead and keep the fragrance mist, even though I have it in the different packaging as well. Maybe I'll show you once I get to sit down and we can talk a little bit for those that don't mind sticking around. But if you just want to see what I have here is Snowy Morning. Now this one, what I saw online is that it's a retired scent. So you might want to grab it if you like the scent. I really do like the scent. I have one already. This is my second one. But I'm not going to grab anymore only because I do end up getting... I like to change up the scents and I get bored anyway. So there's no point in me, even if I like it, to just buy a whole bunch of it because they're retiring the scent. Fragrance notes: frosted bergamot, mistletoe berry, fresh balsam, snow-kissed lavender, and frozen juniper. Again, whatever all that means. Now these I'll just have to wipe because it's a little sticky due to that other soap, or I don't know if now it's my hands. So I have this one. The Snuggle is Real Fresh Strawberry Tart. Oh yeah, I'm gonna return this because if you guys saw my last haul, I got the it's just a different packaging, but I got the Fresh Strawberry Tart for 75% off. I had let you guys know in the last video. So I'm going to return this one as well. Actually, maybe I should return... No, I'm not going to return the Champagne Toast. You see this one? This one I like the scent. And I know it wasn't 75% off. This was 50% off, but it's still good. I'll keep this one. I'll keep that one. But I've gotten a lot of soaps now with the 75% off. Tis the season. Was this 75% off? So I think I'll be taking some of these soaps back, and if I have to replenish, I'll get some more of the 75% off. When I went today, they actually still had some 75% off soaps, so I can replenish with that. And here's this one. La Via Latte with espresso. This is dirty right here because of that other soap that got all over it. Dental foam, rich lather, wash away dirt germs. Why am I reading this to you guys? I was trying to look for the notes. Espresso bean right here, creamy vanilla and whipped sugar. I just started reading other stuff here. Okay. Now, peach Bellini. I hate how dirty they all feel. Okay, I know I can clean it, but I'm still gonna take this one. We just got done with one that was in my bathroom. We really love this scent. After you wash your hands, you can still smell the peach on your hands, which is like really good. It leaves that lingering smell, which we love around here. Juicy peach, white apricot, and fresh mango. But this will go back too, since I just finished one and I need to just replenish with 75% off. Let's get more of a sale. My hands are getting dirty with this. I think I'm gonna leave this. This one is completely covered in the... This one is completely covered in soap from the other one that just... But did you guys see like how everything seemed like they just threw it in here? It doesn't seem like they placed it nicely. Like they could have placed it like this. It wasn't like that. This box, honestly, maybe that's why if you look at it right here, Look how I thought it was the rain because it was raining today, but I was like, it was only raining a little bit, and where they place it, it doesn't really get wet over there. I didn't place it on the bed, I placed it on this. So I actually thought this was wet from the rain, but now I can tell that it was basically wet from that soap falling out, because all this bottom part is messed up. Okay, so we are just going to leave this here. I'm gonna take out, it's gonna be hard for me to open these, so I think we're gonna put the camera, turn it around in a minute. I'll place these candles, because I can't even take out one. Place these candles out on my table that I can sit on, and then talk to you guys. Okay, and as you can see, this is the Frosted Coconut Snowball. I was able to just take this one out, and let's see. The packaging is beautiful. Let me smell it. I can smell the coconut. It's a very coconutty smell. Let's see what the notes are. Oops, it's gonna fall out actually. Have you guys had that? Okay. I can't even, I never had it where they kind of fall out. I have to hold my finger in there. Toasted coconut, vanilla musk, whipped cream, and essential oils. I think I can smell a little bit of the vanilla too. All right, we're gonna place the rest, which is, this was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 candles. So as you guys seen, I already showed you the frosted coconut, and it's just kind of moving around. And I noticed that when you order online, maybe because of the shipping and all the movement that goes around with the boxes, that's happened before to me, but at least it's not broken. I'm not too sure. I love coconut scents, as I've told you guys before, but I'm not too sure about it. We'll see once I start burning it if I like it, because I really do love the packaging. The packaging kind of sells me, because I think once I'm done with the candle, I can repurpose it and maybe put some makeup brushes or something inside of this, but we will see. And then I didn't know that I got 2 eucalyptus rain. I really love the blue on this. We have, the notes on this one is aromatic eucalyptus, spearmint leaves, fresh spring rain with essential oils. Look at the lid, it's really nice. Oh, this smells so good. I got 2, but I don't like having 2 of any of them as of now. So I'm gonna exchange the other one. Maybe I can get one of the new ones. We'll see if they let me. We'll see what I can get when I go return some of those soaps, those hand soaps. I'm gonna return them. The only one I'm gonna keep is the champagne toast, because I really want that one. I really like that scent, so I'm gonna keep that one, and I'm gonna return the rest, because I really have replenished, and you'll see on my next video, I really have replenished on the hand soaps with the 75% off sale. Oh man, this smells good. I seriously recommend this one. Try it out. It smells really good. They have it in the small 1-wick candle too. You can try it out in that one. I think I really like the eucalyptus scent, because this is eucalyptus rain, but I do have in here a candle called eucalyptus mint, and that one smells really good as well. I love that one. Now everybody's been talking about this cookies and cream milkshake candle. The notes on this one is, okay, chocolate cookie crumble, vanilla bean ice cream, chocolate drizzle with essential oils. Okay, we're gonna want to eat this one. Oh, it smells good. I can smell the chocolate. It smells like chocolate fudge, actually. Oh, you know the chocolate fudge that you put basically on your ice cream? That's what it smells like. I actually ate ice cream last night and put some chocolate fudge on it, and that's exactly what it smells like. I wonder what the throw on this, like how it's gonna fill the room. And the packaging is nice too. So I'm gonna definitely keep this one. And I think I'm keeping all of them. I'm just gonna basically exchange eucalyptus rain, because I don't want 2 of them. And I didn't even know that I ordered 2, but I did. And then the frosted snowball, the coconut snowball, I'm just gonna see if I'm gonna exchange it once. I'm gonna try it out though. Oh, pink apple punch. I like the fruity smell in this. The notes: crisp apples, sun-kissed melon, sugar crystals with essential oils. I love the smell. Okay, now the only thing that bothers me, like I said, when you order online, look how much it moves. You see, it falls to the, it goes, like it's gonna fall out. And then because of that, it gets it all dirty. I don't know if I should go exchange it just because that bothers me. It doesn't bother me that much because I'm not OCD. But I don't know. I might be able to just clean it. This one, same thing. The peach Bellini. I love peach Bellini. Oh, the peach smell. Oh, I love peach smell. Okay, the notes on this one: succulent white peach, sparkling prosecco, sweet orange with essential oils. And just to let you guys know, I did buy these on the December 26th. The candles were $11.95. Right now they're half off, which is $12.50, but it's still a good deal. I got these for $11.95. I might want to exchange this one. This one looks maybe I am OCD. Okay, do you guys see how this looks right here? Why does it look like that? I don't know. That kind of bothers me. See, this one does, it's smooth. And then look at this one. That's not smooth. I'm not going to exchange it, guys. I'm just going to keep it. And in case you guys like looking at the lid, at the packaging, there's that. All right. We got one more. I really like the way this one smells. I've smelled it many times at the store. Spiced apple toddy. The notes in this one: warm apple brandy, spiced plum, tart cranberry, cinnamon stick with essential oils. Oh, I can smell the cinnamon. I love cinnamon smells because I have the 'tis the season has that cinnamon smell and it really fills up the room. So I really do like it. And I think this one I should be burning next. Right now, I'm trying out the candle I showed you guys in the last video. What was it? Raspberry mimosa, I think it was. I don't remember the name. It was like in a dark pink packaging. And it's not filling up the room. Like, the throw on it, I believe, is not that good. So we might have to exchange that one. I've been burning it a couple hours. When I go out there, if I don't smell anything, it's going to go back. Oh, I just love this. Okay, and then this one, it has this one right here. This is like a velvety feeling here. It's different. I haven't seen any of their candles like that. I can't wait to burn this one. Okay, that's it. All right, guys, so that is all that I have for you guys today. I do have a very small online order that is coming as well with You're the One scent that I love. That is one of my favorite scents as well. And I had a couple of rewards that I wanted to order. In my area, I can't use my rewards at the store. They won't let me, they won't let me use them. Basically, I put like a different zip code on the app so that I can get rewards when I shop online. Now, I still haven't figured out. I think I have to call the 1-800 number to be able to add rewards to whatever I've purchased in store. It's not adding up to my rewards. So I need to figure that out. Once I figure that out, I will let you guys know about it so that I can continue to rack up the rewards and get some free stuff. And if you guys like hauls, Bath and Body Works hauls, and if you like makeup hauls, that's the one I said I was going to do next, but I didn't get a chance. With kids, it's kind of hard. We started Zoom school again, so I didn't get to videotape that. So you guys might see me in this shirt again. I think I'm going to try to haul that other stuff that I have, what I have in the car that I haven't taken out from the car from today that I went shopping in store again. And I saw that some of my things that I bought already are 75% off. So I will be going to get price adjusted plus return those things. And that should be coming back on my channel next video. Okay, guys, see you guys tomorrow. Bye.